Aloha everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham and I'm from InHomeComputerHelp.com here in Honolulu, and today we are going to learn how to dictate a Google Doc. And to do that, go to drive.google.com to get there, and we're going to select New. And this is the first time that I'm doing this right now, so if there's anything to set up or anything like that, we're going to be going through that together. So here we go, and we're going to select Google Doc. And yes, I'm going to create it in a shared folder. And let's wait for it to come up here. Now, according to this, according to what I understand, I go into Tools. And there's supposed to be, there it is, voice typing. Select that. And this is a grayed out thing here, so I'm supposed to click on this to speak. And let's see what happens. Okay, now it says here I'm supposed, asking me if I want to allow Google Docs to use my microphone. I click on allow. And now let's see if the voice dictation is working. And that's it, it's working. That's all there is to it. Now, little tip for you. Don't forget to dictate your quotation marks and your periods and things like that. Period. New paragraph. New paragraph. And that's all there is to it. And now, and I just said that, I'm going to click on this. And of course, it's giving me a little tip there. Oh, they said new line instead of new paragraph. So, but both of them seem to work. And I like the fact that it gives us little tips right here. And that's all there is to that. So, that's all there is to that. If you're in Honolulu, Hawaii or Oahu, feel free to call me for computer lessons. And if you're not and you would like to support my efforts, then please consider getting the big plain English computer, cell phone, and tablet help tips and reference ebook. I don't have that reference part on that one, but it's there in the title. And feel free to check that out. It's contains a whole bunch of great stuff, including daily maintenance on your computer, little shortcuts, and even how to remove really dangerous viruses, the way that I do it as a professional virus removal specialist. And that's all there is to it. Nice short little tip for you. I hope you enjoy it, and it'll save you some carpal tunnel pain like it does me. Enjoy, aloha, and God bless you.